Chai! Chai!
Daniel, what do you? Not the person that they ask question. What did he do you? You come to down for part of the road. You will lose the courage. Hey! What is your matter? Person die for your family. Abi you wanna go to die?
Hey! Jesus!
Yes! Tell me what in the
million now. We can't be this. No mind your business. If you don't know what you want to talk now, just walk up. You know, say I demand my business. I know how flow you talk. Just they go now. Mama, no best for you.
Why you go come first for me? No, why you go first for me? In the first place, why go mind my business? Eh? This time they walk out for road, why sing also go to bro. Maybe you're the body there for road. I go mind my business. Not me go buy leka kata. Go home na pon down one balance have rugo. I much I got dog mon have the plan about tozu. I go still do it. Now why she say your face is no good. You get annoyance under your heart. Msuma jog what is the problem? How I commit sin? Get long echo boo kabre da back. Tell me what thing they do you because
my 2 million naira. 2 million don't go like that. Just 2 million naira don't go like that.
2 million naira.
2 million naira.
2 million. Name ngwa ya diagram, ngwa ya go diagram me. Komoto bu ngwa ya go an accident. The ship will carry your goods sink or sank. Or sunk. Or dram me.
They confuse me the more now. They confuse my head.
Why you they confuse me more? They confuse me more. Explain to me what thing happened to you. Something will make you open your 36 day for road here. Then may take a TT good. That thing must be a very intelligent something. Explain to me, let us iron it together. I want to know. What thing happened?
No, sir, I know they like hide something from you. This 2 million naira now, no be the one why I get now 2 million why they expect to get. But one game now I cut them. See am now. 16, 17, 18. Now this 18 cut them.
Hey! Wait, the ship will carry your goods. 18 trailers jump together, cut them out.
You know they play game. You know they play game. You know what I hope for hand.
I'm a babu ball as in Chazolido. I'm where woman I not got to swell.
Since when I sabi play game, since when I did from small age begin play this game, one never caught before.
Okay.
And then the best player, and now 2 million naira.
It's a ton of solo tape machine, na paper cut.
See, no be paper cut. Now my game will cut. Eh?
Jesus.
See this one now. This one now 5,000 naira. I win am. And a madman give me the game.
Yeah!
Now madman, I use 100 naira play am get 5,000 naira.
Wait. Madman give you 5,000. You can't give 100 naira.
Jesus!
I know that you are confusing me the moral like I spoke before.
This thing is spiritual something. I see madman they pass. I come buy a plantain. He dey hungry. As I buy a plantain finish, he can't say okay, thank you. Make I go play 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. I go play him with 100 naira. I get 5K.
Spiritual something. I go for pastor now. What you go tell me now?
Hey!
Spiritual battle with madman. No madman now.
No be for dream. Now for real life, I see him buy a plantain. He give me game. I play him with 100 naira. He give me 5,000 naira.
What did they do me? In one terminal now, they do cha-cha. Like everyone can hear me. They follow these people.
And the thing you want hear him? Na him.
They do gambling.
This one now where they pay me. Say na my mama will give me him.
Chai!
Mama go around. She give you the number before she died.
She what?
She go your maternal home.
Chai!
Now dream what I dream. My mama will die where you know. She appear
5 years ago.
Yes. That's why she dey give me game steady.
She still appear up to you too.
Yes now. She can't appear give me 16, 17, 18. Say man I play and straight win. 18 can't cut now. And this game now, I used 200 naira play am. If you say this game enter, it's supposed to be 2 million naira now. Now they vex me. Mama game where mama give me cut.
Chai!
18 now those one small thing he cut am.
Jesus.
Hey.
Daniel.
Naira.
Daniel. Do you know you are very stupid? And at stupid at your age, you can never be reasonable again in your life. So now gambling and the cutting of mark and the cut off mark. Now you make a consider here. Your mama will die give you 200 naira game for dream. Say may you take and win 2 million. Hey! Are you not stupid? Are you when they go into how much in give you?
Money and everything. Money no be everything. Now she dey help me. She don't die now. Begin still they help me for where she dey. Now this one I wake up, I don't understand. Whether she no see am well.
She tell you say she dey work for bank for alarm more that place where she dey. Abi she be money doubler over there. On the bureau they change. Where she go give you 200 naira and you go 1, 2, 3. Say ga bukureko give game na akwukwo nkete and you get 2 million. How long will you, children of nowadays, how long will you people wise up and then begin to do things the way it should? Somebody died, they give you the other one, man, they say you for road, they buy and plantain, they buy you, they give her from Oge, they buy and plantain, from plantain, give the give from Ofrema, Yanya go get the age, from age, don't want for Yanya 5,000, give you 100 naira. I'm ashamed of you. Longer throat and then too much of culture. Or we are why these days. Because somebody will come out and tell you, if you pay 10,000 naira, I'm going to give you 20,000 in the next 1 hour. And people will line up at this budget age, this new millennium, that everybody's supposed to open his or her eyes. And people are still coming up on social media to say, I was duped. I saw one platform on Facebook. They say double money. If you put 10,000 in the next 1 second, your money go double into 2. And somebody will carry his savings, carry his mother, carry his father, carry everything about him, go put in there. Tomorrow you come out to the cry for us. We suppose anybody will come out, we catch that person. Call your duka I call you one time. Because people at this time supposed to be wise. Hey! Who does that? The person when they come online, they tell you, say you go give you 100 million naira when you bring 10,000. Poor people know their family.
You should play game now,
You're not evil.
I do bad in play game.
Why you go play game with 200 and you're expecting 2 million? Are you not a thief? Jesus! The game conquered. 2 million. Why are you crying? That time you know say it's not good. Why are you crying?
Nah, mama.
There are real games. There are real things business people do. Yes, you know say this one and this one. But now this one even if you 200, name expect 2 million. Your expectation is too much. No, if for say they give you Nigeria, before say give them 200 naira, bring Nigeria nishi. People should wise up. Everybody should open his or her eyes. They say Chifimo, you too talk. They go even use your mama face, put her for social media. Okay. Then your mama talk and say, my mama na good woman. Since say my mama, she no go play me while you will go hang her. Nothing concern your mama. You need to these days. What you know about the thing use you do TikTok. Get no go name mote. People go say, now you talk. Open your eyes.
Chifimo, mind your business.
I can never mind my business.
You cannot stop me from playing game. My man gonna show me, I gonna see him. No be 1, no be 2. I dey cash out steady.
Who's always go board in the yawo bo onwuranwu. They can nego digrego. The odigrego na lili.
Chai.
Nego get dig na lili. Oka man me pranya ge. Open your eyes and then be useful. How can a full-grown idiot like you, a full-grown man like you allow people to use your mentality? Hey! Go to social media, a lot of people, everybody's crying every day. I have been duped. I am duped. I saw your face advertising something. I saw you say they use your picture do something. I can't carry my placenta, put there. Carry my optical cord, put it there. I use my monthly menstruation, buy a gallon. With a dog anime hang on ya. Now my period don't sleep. You can't give me my Daniel,
Chai.
You walk away on me. Anywhere you go, they will still follow you that place. If you don't take away your eyes from evil things, greedy generation. If you not open your eyes and be useful,
Chai.
go and walk. Laziness is a sin. God has given you everything as a human. He created you. He said, I created you in my own likeness and image. And I have given you everything to succeed, survive, and then suffocate to the world. Or if you refuse to survive, you will just suffocate. You cannot towards the end. Suffocation.
Okay.
200 naira. You want you to carry 2 million. Are you not greedy? Not be juju be that. Woo!